Hey everyone, and let's make a quick Halloween decor. For this I use some canvas boards and these cute napkins I got. So firstly I painted the canvas with white paint only once since it was white, but I get the feeling that it sticks better when there is a paint on, so you don't have to do it. I just do it. um well, that's just me. Okay, and now on to the gluing. So I use decoupage glue for this. Of course you can use Mod Podge, and I slowly glued my napkin onto the canvas board with good amount of decoupage glue, of course, and slowly stretching it a little bit so I don't get wrinkles, but also applying a little bit of pressure on it. But you have to be patient. It really goes slowly until you come around, or you can use iron if you want to, the iron method as well. Well, I am a little bit impatient, so I'm gluing it on. And now I use a stamp and an applied paint onto it with a dabber, and then I just splash, splash, splash here, splash there onto my canvases on both of them. And on, sorry guys, I didn't somehow record it. Yes, I sealed it with pouring glaze all of my 3 canvases, and I applied this design with air drying clay and a mold. I got actually 2 molds, a skull mold and a frame mold I got. And now it is dry and I am applying black paint, and I took off the excess of the paint with wet towel. So there you go, and now it's time to seal it. Only the clay part here, and I apply the clay only on this canvas. So I am sealing it with matte varnish. I'm again let it dry. The other 2 canvases are finished. I didn't do anything else to it. I just only sealed it with pouring glaze. And now a little bit of wax paste around my clay part, so you can see it's really a quick video. We are almost finished with this one. Technically, if you don't want to do anything else, it's finished. I use this 3D glue pen and some metallic flakes, silver flakes for it. So I am applying the glue on it, and I just apply it where I want it. You let it dry until it becomes transparent, and after it's transparent you can apply the flakes onto it. But better to wear gloves because this one is a little bit messy, and you can take off the excess with soft brush, as you can see here. So, and then that's it. So I'm hoping you enjoyed this very quick video of mine. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please give me a nice comment or a thumbs up. And well, hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.